Hey, welcome to the episode of Beers, Jack of Barbecue. So today's a little special edition. We're going to do a Thanksgiving edition. So we got here 2 Turkey London Broils, is what we call them. And actually the place, the farmer's market, calls them the same thing. One of them, and I'll pull them out here for you shortly, it's a 4.2 pound turkey breast. And this one's marinated in soy sauce, lemon juice, vegetable, onion, garlic, black pepper. Comes that way. The other one here is 3.3 pounds. And like I said, I'm going to pull them out, but I didn't want to get, before I got my gloves dirty. And our beer tonight's going to be the Sam Adams good old Boston Lager. It's their 100th anniversary edition bottle label. So let me pull these out, show you how big they are. And then I'm going to, oh, and the plain one I didn't mention, I'm going to wrap that one in bacon. The marinated one, I'm just going to do that normal. And we got the Weber Kettle set up with a Slow N Sear. And going to run it to about 350 degrees, probe them the whole time, get them to about 165 or 162 and bring them off, and we'll be good to go. So I'll show you some of the prep work. All right, one thing I forgot to mention too while we were doing the introduction here was trees behind us. It's November. Actually have a 70-degree November day here in Pennsylvania, but it's a nice day. But I did want to show you how big these are. This marinated one, like I said, I'm not going to do anything to it. But that thing is huge. I'm not a small person, so that's a big hunk. And that was said 4.2 pounds, and this is the 3.2 pound piece that I'm going to put bacon on. I'm going to tie that one up a little bit to keep it shape and then put the bacon on it. This one's just going to go on the grill the way it is. So we'll show you the prep work now. All right, so I did make an attempt trying to tie this up a little bit, and it wasn't working out the best to hold the bacon in place. So I'm just going to try a few of the toothpicks to hold the bacon in place, and honestly more just going to have it laying on the turkey as it cooks. All right, we're going to get the turkey on. I have it running about 400 degrees. I did put water in the water pan. Since it's turkey, I want to keep it more on the moist side. I'm going to try to finish up the bacon part here. You can never have too much bacon. I said some of that's just to kind of hold it in place for now until it starts cooking. And we'll get this monster on. And like I said, I want to probe them to see where we're at. All right, going to shut her down here, close the lid. I'm going to probably adjust the draft a little bit to try to keep it around 350, and we'll bring you back when it's getting closer to done. All right, so we reached on the one with the bacon, reached 112 degrees. I actually just want to turn them because actually the big one I can see here is got a little darker at the end, but that's all right. They're so big, it's hard to keep it away from the fire itself. Good thing is the bacon's looking really good. All right, we're gonna let it go to 165 at this point. I'm just gonna try to rearrange this slightly and get this one a little further away from the fire. There we go. All right, we're gonna check them out and pull them off. The one hit 161.5 and the other one's 163. They're looking nice. I'm going to pull the probes out of them because I'm going to cover them for a little while and they're going to probably come up probably right around 165 is the plan. I can actually pull the toothpicks out. Bacon's not going to move anymore. And it's looking pretty nice actually. That looks good. And here's the one with the bacon. Oh, I'm hoping this one's just going to be like just super juicy without all that bacon on there. If I can actually get it off the grill. All right, we're going to cover that up for a few minutes. And we'll show you, we'll cut into it, show you what it looks like. As always, cheers. Good beer. All right, so today we did the Thanksgiving special. We have the turkey breast. Like I said, one was 4.2 pounds. This one was 3.2 pounds. I want to get them on their own plates. So I can't wait to cut in. Well, I really want to cut into the one with the bacon on it. And then here's the marinated one. And it looks good. We took them to about 162 degrees. And then, get that out of the way. Let them rest and I covered them. So I want to cut into these and see what we look like and I'll take a little bit of a taste. Oh man. That was like butter cutting through that. The hard part is showing you what it looks like on the inside because it's extremely juicy. Cutting the marinated one, same thing, very nice. All right, I want to take a sliver off the marinated one. Try that one real quick. Really moist, taste of soy sauce, taste a little bit of the pepper. I'm not a big lemon juice fan, but I don't taste that, so that's a good thing for me. Here's the other one with the bacon on top. And this is the one that was just plain. I should steal a piece of bacon of the homemade bacon, but I know what that tastes like, but man, that looks great. Super tender, just a plain, but the bacon kept that moisture in there. So here's our Thanksgiving dinner special. Like I said, we have like 7 pounds of turkey here, so you can definitely feed a few in a family if you don't want to make an entire turkey. Hope you like what you're seeing. Click the little bell, get reminders when we put new videos out, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. So thanks for joining us.